Want to see how smart home and industrial IoT devices can be tested? With the ITN 1200, it's easier than you think. In this video, we'll show you how to use the ITN 1200. We'll cover how to create a ZigBee network and how two ZigBee devices can communicate with each other. You'll also see how easy it is to create different types of ZigBee participants. First, let's create a coordinator, for which we will now select channel 15. Before starting, we will need an IEEE address. Click the Start button and wait a few seconds for the ZigBee network to be established. Once we have started the coordinator, we can see the following data about the device that it automatically generates for us. As you can see, there are no available devices in the list yet, so let's start one. In this case, we will start a router, but also on channel 15 with the following IEEE address. Let's click on Start. Our router has started, so we can return to the coordinator and click the refresh button to see the devices connected to our coordinator. By clicking on the item in the list, you can see that this is our previously created router, so the connection was successful, and ITN lists the most important information for us. Let's now look at the device context of this remote device. We will examine a 3-attribute cluster and test the read and write functions. Let's go back to the router and see the local attributes in the same way. Let's try the read function on this Boolean attribute. As you can see, after reading we got back a false value, which was the default value. Now we will change the same value to true using the write button on the coordinator page. We check another local RETL, and it appears that its value has indeed changed. Repeating the process by writing an int 16 will give the same result. Each cluster has a send command button that brings up the command sending window. The above fields will be automatically filled in for us, and we only need to fill in the command and data fields, and then click the send button. Thank you for watching. For more insights and tutorials, subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for the next NOFFZ video.